Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today our topic is animals. Let's start. Look at the pictures, listen and repeat. Number 1.
Pig. Pig.
Number 2.
Lion. Lion.
Number 3.
Frog. Frog.
And the last one.
Dog. Dog.
Now let's do the exercise.
Соедини слова с картинкой.
Number 1.
Lion.
Can you see a picture of a lion? Well done. Next one.
Dog.
Where's the dog? Fantastic. Number 3.
Pig.
Pig. Can you see a pig? Great. And the last one.
Frog.
Can you see a picture of a frog? Good job. Let's continue. Now, look at the pictures and words. Listen and repeat after me. Bird, bird. Cat, cat. Bear, bear. Horse, horse. Now let's do the exercise.
Прослушай и расположи картинки и слова по порядку.
Number 1.
Bear.
Bear. Can you see a picture of a bear? This one? No. Here's the bear. Well done. Now let's find a word that says bear. This one? No. This one? No. Maybe this one? Yes. Number 2.
Horse.
Horse. Where's the horse? This one? No. Here's the horse. And the word for horse is here. Great job. Now look at the pictures, listen and repeat after me. Monkey, monkey. Elephant, elephant. Frog, frog. Cat, cat. Horse, horse. Dog, dog. Let's do the exercise.
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок.
Number 1.
Elephant.
Where's an elephant? This one?
This is a small green frog. An elephant is bigger and it's not green.
No, it's not an elephant. Here's an elephant.
Right, here's the elephant.
Number 2.
Dog.
Can you see a picture of a dog? Well done.
Yes, the dog says woof woof.
Fantastic. Next exercise.
Прослушай
и выбери соответствующий рисунок.
Number 1.
Where is my cat?
Cat. Can you see a picture of a cat? This one.
Wow, this is a lion. Where's my cat?
Oh, this is a cat.
Right, he is my cat. Come, kitty, kitty.
Next.
Look at this bear.
Bear. Where's the bear? Great.
You're right. This is a bear.
Now, look at the pictures, listen and repeat.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Next.
Zebra. Zebra.
Number 3.
Butterfly. Butterfly.
And the last one.
Snake. Snake.
Now let's do the exercise.
Соедини слова с картинкой.
Number 1.
Zebra.
Where's the zebra? Great. Number 2.
Snake.
Can you see a picture of a snake? Fantastic. 3.
Kangaroo.
Where's the kangaroo? Well done. And the last one is
Butterfly.
great. Let's continue. Let's continue.
Прослушай и выбери правильный ответ.
Picture number 1.
Monkey.
Is this a monkey? Yes, of course. Picture number 2.
Bird.
Is this a bird? No.
Horse.
Is this a horse? Yes. Picture number 3.
Lion.
Is this a picture of a lion? Yes, it is. And the last picture.
Dog.
Is this a picture of a dog? No.
Monkey.
Is this a picture of a monkey? No.
Frog.
Yes, it's frog. Now, look at the pictures, listen, and repeat after me. Penguin. Penguin. Cow. Cow. Bee. Bee. Turtle. Turtle. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Zebra. Zebra. Let's do the exercise.
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок.
Number 1.
This is a cow.
Can you see a picture of a cow? This one.
Wow, this is a bee. Where's the cow?
Oh, here's the cow.
Right, it's a cow. It says moo.
Next.
Have a look at this turtle.
Can you see a picture of a turtle? Yes.
You're right. This is a turtle.
Fantastic.
Oh, animals, let me see.
Okay.
It's an elephant. It's very big.
Yes, and look, here's a monkey. It's funny.
Oh, a snake.
And look at the big black spider.
That bird is beautiful. And this is a lion.
I like animals.
I like lions.
Sam!
Now let's revise all the words. Pig, lion, frog, dog, horse, bird, cat, bear, penguin, cow, bee, turtle, kangaroo, zebra, butterfly, snake. Now let's put the animals into two groups. Domestic animals, домашние животные. Wild animals, дикие животные. Domestic animals are pig, dog, horse, cat, and cow. Wild animals are lion, frog, bird, bear, penguin, bee, turtle, kangaroo, and zebra. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.